Hey guys, it's your favorite life changer, health coach, and auntie on YouTube, Bad on BB, aka Auntie. And if you don't know, now you know. You might as well go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe now, because YouTube be player hating on the sisters' videos and making sure you get the new content. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of this good, okay? Now, today, I want to tell you guys about Smartship. A Smartship is similar to if you have some type of prescription that you get from your local pharmacy every month, or say you're subscribed to like Amazon Prime. It comes out every month. A Smartship is a subscription for your Total Life Changes products. For me, you guys know my favorite kit is the dang, what the heck is my favorite kit? I just did a video on this. The Get Up and Go kit, that's what it is. I don't know why I had a brain fart there. But my Get Up and Go kit, consisting of the lemon flavor CBD tea, the NutriBurst, and the NRG, I get those every month. Not just because I am a life changer, and by keeping an active Smartship, I make sure that I'm able to keep my commissions every month, but also it's just what I do every month. You guys see me taking my products every day on social media. I take more products than that actually, but those are just my go-to products that I need to make sure that I get every freaking month. So if you're somebody who you know you're gonna get NutriBurst every month, you know you're gonna get NRG every month, maybe you're even a new life changer and you're like, dang, how do I set up this Smartship? I'm actually gonna get into that now. So let me just show you guys right away how to set up your Smartship. You want to log into your sites. This is the brand new Total Life Changes site, which I do have a separate video on how to maneuver through that. I'm going to log in using my preferred customer account. I have a preferred customer account and a life changer account because I am a life changer. But here we are. I'm going in. And say I want to make a Smartship. I want to be like BB and get a Get Up and Go kit every month. Okay, so let me shop all, or I could have hit kits and packs here, but that's okay because I got kits and packs right here in the category aisle. So I'm gonna look for the Get Up and Go kit, which is right here, and I hit subscribe to Smartship. So I check subscribe to Smartship. And it should do that for me. Now that's one way of doing it. We're going to go into Smartship at the top here. And you click Smartship. Oh, there's a video on it already. And you hit create your Smartship. You will go to join Smartship, hit create your Smartship, and then you have all of these choices for what you want to make your Smartship with. Here, if you wanted to be like BB and make a Get Up and Go kit Smartship, you would just hit add, and that's what you would do. Say you just want a NutriBurst every month. I need to make sure that I have my NutriBurst vitamin every month, and I don't want to keep having to order it. You would just hit NutriBurst, add. You get to choose what quantity here that you want. Say you and your husband or you and your son or whoever takes NutriBurst every month. You want to make sure you have 2 NutriBursts coming in every month, your full 30-day supply. So you would choose how many quantities of NutriBurst you want here and make sure it's clicked. But I'm going to go back to the Get Up and Go kit because, you know, I'm team go hard or don't go at all. So I'm getting the full Get Up and Go kit. I'm serious about this health stuff. Then you would click your shipping address. You would enter your payment stuff, and then you would hit I acknowledge and have read and understand the 30-day refund policy. And just as simple as that, you would hit create your Smartship and your Smartship would be created. It's that easy, guys. It is so easy to set up your Smartship and make sure that you get your Total Life Changes products on autopilot. It does not matter if you are a customer. It does not matter if you are a life changer. You can get products sent to your door every month easily. I have 3 products at least, 120 volume Smartship, the Get Up and Go kit coming to me every month. And I know I started out with just the NutriBurst and then eventually the NutriBurst and the tea. And just because I have to have my energy, like I just up my dosages to make sure I'm never lacking every month. And I mean, the proof's in the pudding. I'm a pretty healthy gal. So give me a thumbs up if I gave you some awesome value today. And I hope that you learned about your Smartships. There is no community without the you and the I. So make sure you leave any questions, comments, or concerns in the comments below. And if there's anything else you want to ask me about, make sure you hit me up on social media. You can call me, email me, text me, whatever it is you need to do in order to contact me about something that you might have a question about. If you have a question about joining the business or you want to see my business presentation, please go to workwithbb.com or contact me one other way. But it's just as easy as it is to start the Smartship to join the business with a health coach like your girl, or even just buy your products from me and get all of the bonuses like my month worth of 1,200 calorie recipes, my meal planner, which is free and in the description box below. So you can download the meal planner and tracker for free and all that other stuff. I just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm very available to you and I love hearing from you. So in the meantime, in between time, it's your girl Bad Aunt BB. Over and out.